Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Paint not working on Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are encountering issues with the Paint application on your Windows 11 computer, there is a straightforward method to resolve it using the built-in Windows settings. Begin by accessing the Windows search bar. Here type in Paint. Once Paint appears in the search results, locate and click on the small downward pointing arrow situated in the right pane next to the application name. From the options that appear, select App Settings. Within the Paint app settings, scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Terminate. Click on Terminate to stop the Paint application. Following this, you will see a button labeled Repair. Select this Repair button to initiate the repair process for Paint. This action will take a few moments to complete. Please wait until you observe a checkmark indicating the repair is finished. After the repair, you will find a Reset button. Click on Reset, and then confirm the action by clicking on Reset once again. This will reset the Paint application to its default state. Again, wait patiently until you see a checkmark signifying that the reset process is complete. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.